beautiful cake. Now you know what you have to do, right, Margaret?
Make a wish, Margaret.
Make a wish.
Spit on it.
Sure, go ahead, it's yours.
Okay, let's put this back on. There. Wow.
Oh, only one boyfriend.
Oh.
Way to go, birthday girl. How old are you today?
130.
130? Oh, you look great for 130.
Yeah.
Way to go.
You even look really good for 93.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Margaret.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll go get you a piece of cake.